Welcome to back my channel Vijay tutorial point. Today topic is the USB color socket ports and what are the speed of this socket and gigabytes and Mbps. Now I will tell you this is video is very informative, it very useful. So many viewers are asked. I upgrade my old laptop. The system is speed, but now I will put the pen drive and transfer the data. It is same as above. That's why I will make this video. The USB ports depend on USB 1, USB 2, USB 3, USB 3.2, USB 4. Depend on that color and that speed is depend on this USB socket port only. Not a upgrade your motherboard. It is a reason. Let us go to the our video. The in-depth information very short today, don't miss it. Watch that till the end and share and like our VGR tutorial videos. Thanking you once again, your VGR tutorial. Hi friends, welcome to back my channel VGR tutorial point. Today topic is USB ports colors or explain what are the speed into data transfer, data writing speed. I will explain. USB ports colors offer often used indicated USB versions and potential transfer speed through important note that means message general guidelines and not a universal enforced standards. This manufacturer can diverting and break down common USB ports colors and the associated speeds. The white, black, blue, and light blue, red, orange, yellow, purple. These colors are available in India. The white typically indicate USB 1 and 1.1. These are older standards with transfer speed of the lowest speed 1.5 Mbps megabytes per second. Full speed is 12 megabytes per second. The black color usually signified USB 2 high speed. This is still very common standards offering speed up to 480 megabytes per second. The blue color, the generally indicated USB 3, the super speed USB 3.1 Gen 1. This is the port of significantly faster speed up to 5 Gbps data gigabyte per second data transfer. Tell light blue, sometimes green of used for the USB 3.1 Gen 2 Super Speed plus USB 3.2 Gen 2. This port can be achieved speed up to 10 Gbps per second. This is the 10 gigabytes per second data transfer read write. The red, orange, yellow option with the standard USB A port. Those colors are sometimes indicate changing ports or power delivery ports. While they can still transfer data, their primary instructions of that they provide more power for charging devices, sometimes even when computers is offer data transfer speed. Would you typically align with USB version support? Example read USB 3 portion port would you still be 5 Gbps data per second transfer. The purple is less common, but some manufacturers like Hava Purple for their supercharge enable USB ports, which is also portrait fast charging. This important of consideration of this ports. The backward compatibility, all new USB standards are backward compatibility with older ones. You can plug USB 2 device into USB 3 port, but will only operating USB 2 speed. The cable matters. To achieve the maximum speed of USB ports, you need to cable that support that speed. For the example, USB 3 devices into USB 3 port using USB 2 cable with limited USB 2 speed. The USB-C with the rise USB-C, the color coding within the port itself less common for indicating speed. Instead of you will option C symbol new to the port indicated capability, Lightning Bolt, Thunderbolt 3 by 4, SS Super Speed USB, USB-C can support a wide range of speed from USB 2 all the way USB 4 is the 40 Gbps and Thunderbolt 3 by 4 40 Gbps when the debut all refer specification of your device computer confirm the extra USB version's capability of fit port. USB port colors indicated data transfer speed and functionality. Black is typical USB to 450 480 Mbps, blue is USB 3 5 Gbps, and red are tell from significant faster speed like USB 3.1 Gen 2 and 10 Gbps or USB 3.2 yellow orange ports. Usual offer always power charging even when computer is off. The color USB standard data speed, white USB 1 version or 1.5 version is the 1.5 Mbps to 12 Mbps. Black color is the USB is the 2 and up to 480 Mbps, and the blue color is a USB 3, USB 3.2 Gen 1 up to 5 gigabytes per second, Tel USB 3.1 Gen 1, USB 3.2 Gen 1 up to 10 Gbps data transfer, red USB 3.1 Gen 2, USB 3.2 Gen 2 up to 10 or 20 Gbps data transfer, the yellow orange USB 2 3 with always on power, the 480 Mbps to 5 Gbps. The you can key takeaway of this, the color is generally guide. The while color is the most common indicator manufacturer may be divert, always check the device or motherboard manual for the configuration. Speed matters for device. Connecting high-speed device like external hard drives to blue, red, or tel ports the maximize performance. Slower device like a keyboard and mouse are perfectly fine on black ports. Some ports are power. The yellow and orange ports are useful for the charging devices when new computers is off, but there is data speed is maybe still be limited to older standards. The USB-C connector are different. USB-C ports may be not a big color as their speed and capability are determined by underlying USB standards. Example USB 3.2, USB 4. The devices connected to the USB 4 type and speed compared. Thanking you.